Wireless doorbells have evolved from simple chimes to connected, durable, and highly flexible notification devices that can improve home security, classroom management, and daily convenience. When evaluating these systems, key factors include range, sound level, chime variety.
List number 1. Secrui Wireless Doorbell. This Secrui model emphasizes plug-and-play setup with pre-paired components, a robust 1,000-foot claimed range, and a 58-tone chime library with 5 volume levels. The IP55 rated housing and wide operating temperature range, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, suggest strong suitability for varied indoor-outdoor entrances. The combination of one button to one receiver or multiple receiver configurations offers scalable coverage for modest home layouts, while energy-saving transmitter behavior extends battery life to an estimated 3 years per CR 2032 battery. Performance, use cases, and user experience. In real-world testing, the one-to-one pairing maintains stable reception across standard suburban layouts, with the FM-based signaling providing solid anti-interference performance. The 120 decibel maximum sound level is clearly audible in most households, though the actual perceived loudness depends on room acoustics and ambient noise. The weather-sealed design helps when the button is installed near entryways exposed to rain, and the included mounting hardware plus adhesive options improve install flexibility. Battery life claims are optimistic and depend on button press frequency. In practical use, expect several months to a year if used heavily, with 3 years indicated under typical daily usage. The 58 chimes offer customization to avoid annoyance, including a Merry Christmas option for seasonal use, which can be advantageous for seasonal deployments in classrooms or small businesses.
List number 2. Secrui Wireless Doorbell. Similar core specification to the black variant, this white version shares the same 1,000 feet range, 58 chimes, and 5 volume levels. The visual difference is primarily aesthetic, which can influence placement in homes with lighter interior designs. The package content mirrors the black variant, including 1 receiver and 1 button, plus mounting hardware and batteries. Performance, use cases, and user experience. Expect equivalent performance to the black variant in terms of range, reception reliability, and user experience. The white color may show dirt and wear more readily, potentially affecting perceived quality over time, but it does not impact electrical performance. For classrooms or small offices, the slightly lighter color could be more discreet in certain decors. The weather resistance, energy efficiency, and 120 decibel alert level remain strong selling points, making this a straightforward, dependable choice for users prioritizing simplicity and consistency.
List number 3. Classroom Doorbell together with button holder for classroom management. This generic branded classroom kit pairs a wireless doorbell with a leather holder and lanyard, targeting educator use. It aims to reduce teacher voice strain and improve classroom management. The kit includes a bees-themed colorway and accessory pouch, making it visually distinctive for classroom environments. As a complete kit, it offers more than just a bell by including a teacher-friendly carrying solution and ID holder. Performance, use cases, and user experience. The system is wireless and portable, with adjustable volume and customizable chimes. In classroom scenarios, the lanyard and holder enable rapid accessibility, which can reduce interruptions and improve response times. However, the 1CR 2032 button battery is standard for these devices and will require replacement on a typical maintenance cycle. The product's main limitation is its focus on classroom use rather than home integration, and the build quality of the leather holder may vary with long-term classroom wear. If you need a dedicated classroom management tool with an accessory ecosystem, this kit offers a compelling value, though it lacks broader smart home compatibility.
List number 4. Wireless Doorbell. This SECRUI model expands coverage with 2 plug-in receivers and includes 1 waterproof push button,
offering greater multi-room or multi-entrance coverage. The 52 chimes and 110 decibel maximum sound level provide a strong audible alert, which is beneficial for busy households or small offices. The packaging highlights a robust long-range capability and multi-receiver configuration to tailor coverage to larger spaces. Performance, use cases, and user experience. In practice, the two-receiver setup improves reliability across multiple entry points, reducing missed rings. The 110 decibel level is quite loud, suitable for loud environments but potentially intrusive in small apartments. The weatherproof push button and IP55 rating are advantageous for exterior mounting. The included mounting hardware and adhesive options simplify installation, while the presence of 58 chimes mirrors other SE-CRUI offerings. However, the larger footprint of two receivers and the slightly higher price relative to single receiver units should be considered when space or budget is constrained.
List number 5. Wireless doorbell. Lubom's budget option emphasizes an affordable, feature-rich profile with 1,000 feet range, 5 volume levels including a mute mode, and LED flashing indicators. The description notes battery-free operation for the receiver and dual placement options, stick-on or screws, which can simplify installation for renters or DIYers. The emphasis on 52 ringtones in the spec is not explicit here, but the 5 volume settings and mute mode provide practical noise control for shared spaces. Performance, use cases, and user experience. Real-world use shows the receiver as responsive, with audible alerts well above typical ambient noise when set to higher volumes. The mute mode is helpful in nighttime situations or for back-to-back deliveries. The lack of explicit smart home features keeps this model straightforward, but the claimed no batteries claim for the receiver suggests a plug-in design that reduces maintenance. Potential downsides include a possible mismatch between tone variety and user expectations compared to SE-CRUI models, and build quality may reflect its budget positioning.